Before we dive into my portfolio, let's first bring it to life on localhost using SUMP. Open the SUMP control panel, your gateway to running the website locally. These are the engines powering WordPress. Hit start for both. Navigate to the SUMP installation folder and find the htdocs directory. Look for the folder De La Cruz Portfolio, where all my website files reside. Open your browser and type localhost/De La Cruz Portfolio. And just like that, my WordPress portfolio is up and ready for exploration. Hello everyone, I'm Crizame De La Cruz, a second-year IT student at Central Luzon State University. My passion lies in networking administration and database management, and today I'm excited to share my WordPress-powered portfolio, a digital showcase of my journey, skills, and projects. Welcome to the heart of my portfolio. Here, I introduce myself along with my tagline, I make data flow, you make data grow, which reflects my enthusiasm for data engineering and seamless information management. This section is where I get personal with my academic journey, from earning honors in school to honing my expertise in programming languages like C, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, as well as frameworks like jQuery and WordPress. My skills are my power tools. I've categorized them into technical and soft skills, from mastering MySQL database management to problem solving, teamwork, and adaptability. I'm constantly evolving to meet industry demands. Now, let's take a look at the projects that have shaped my development skills. A hands-on project where I explored digital entrepreneurship and web development using HTML and CSS, bringing my ideas to life. A mission-driven platform built to strengthen community engagement and advocacy for our nonprofit organization. An initiative focused on enhancing accessibility, functioning, and user experience for a government website, creating real-world impact. My portfolio is built on WordPress, offering seamless navigation, responsive design, resume downloads, and integrated social links, all optimized for accessibility. This portfolio is more than just a collection of projects. It's a reflection of my growth as an IT student. As I continue learning and refining my craft, I look forward to making meaningful contributions to the industry. Thank you for your time.